Hey there, this is Dr. Scott. Quick tutorial about how to set up MLA formatting in a Google Doc and a Word document online. So I'm in a Google Doc. This is just some dummy text that's been entered in. So we want to do a few things. One, we want to make sure that this text is double-spaced. So we're going to click Control and A to select all of our text. We're then going to choose this icon right here, line and paragraph spacing. And we're going to take it down to double. So it's all double spaced. First sentence of every paragraph should be indented. So if you put your cursor to the left of that first line and hit Tab, it's going to do exactly what we want. Now there's extra spacing between paragraphs, and we want to go ahead and take that out. So at least in the document that I had, I'm just putting that cursor in between the paragraphs and hitting the delete or the back key. Okay, so a few other things to get this thing ready to submit. So press enter. We want to go to the top left here, and there's a few things that we need. So your name goes at the top. Everything is double spaced up here as well. The name of your professor, Professor Scott. The class that we're talking about, so it's English 100, 1101, what have you. That goes here, and then the date. And MLA does this weird thing where they do it kind of like this. September. So there's no comma or anything like that. It's 24 September 2024. Press enter one more time because you want to put the title of the document and you want that centered. So if you do Essay 1, that's not a very creative title, but you'll come up with something if you're asked to do that for your class. So we need to locate where how to center it, and it is right here under Align and Indent. So Essay 1 in the middle. A couple other things, and then this thing is ready to submit. We want to insert page numbers. So click Insert, go to Page Numbers, and you want it at the top right. So there's a few different options here, and we want top right. So there it is. Put your cursor to the left of that number, and then type your last name. So I think this student here is Smith. So Smith, space, and then you double click down in the document, and this is all set up. It's ready to go. When you share it, you want to make sure that it's so it's private only to me. So you would want to share. You want to change that. So we want to Essay 1. It's saved, and then we want to make sure that it's not restricted, that it's anyone with the link, and then it's ready to submit. Let me now walk you through how to do all of that with a Word Online document. So we're in Word Online, same text that I submitted in the other document. We want to make this all double space, and it's also Control A. It's Command A if you're using a Mac. So Control A or Command A, you've selected everything. We now want to do some double spacing. So this little icon right here, more paragraph options. Sometimes it's already out here, but line spacing, we want to go down to line spacing, make it 2. Just like the last essay, we want to indent that first line. So go to the beginning of all your paragraphs, put the cursor to the left of that first word of the paragraph, and press Tab. And that's going to tab it over, indent your paragraphs. Okay, I'm going to get your name, and so John Smith, Professor Scott, English 100, 24 September 2024, and then press enter again. I'm going to do Essay 1 or something like that. And you can just, you don't have to highlight it. I think you just put the cursor next to it, click that drop down, go to middle alignment, and there it is. A couple other steps: insert page numbers. You want it top right, and there it is. So this shows up. The number is going to be in there once we click out of here. This is where you can enter in your last name. So Smith, space, and then when we click out, got Smith 1. This is now ready to go. All right, that's it. Got any questions? Let me know.